Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SUNW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Thursday, but after today's price movement, some updates here need to be made. As far as summarizing today's price movement, keyword being today, so looking at just today individually, this is what we would call a gap and trap. If you're maybe new to trading and not familiar with what a gap and trap is, all that means is the price on Thursday closed right there. This morning, Friday, opened up right there, hence the gap up. And then from there, ran. Some poor souls bought up there. And then from that point is kind of where the trap happened, and it was essentially all bears the remainder of the day. So today, like I said, individually, a gap and trap. And I'm emphasizing today because when you talk about more than 1 day, though, overall, the chart does still have the opportunity to chip away and build in a bigger picture long-term trend. How so? Well, that's where, at least in my opinion, going forward, the key level to watch now is going to be right down here at 62 cents, give or take. Point being, and I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but let's say that the price actually does come down here, behaves like that, and then works its way back upwards. What would you still have, though, within the big picture point of view? Well, you'd still have set of lows there, you'd have lows right there, and you'd even have some lows a little bit further down than that. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's what truly strong moves. They're going to make progress forward. Now, I do also realize that if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and if your plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes, well, then, yeah, if you bought up there or you bought right there, then, yeah, you definitely don't care about these stair steps. So these comments are definitely being geared towards somebody with a bigger picture point of view. So sure, today was a gap and trap, but again, that's today. Looking at multiple days as we're doing here, you can see the price does still have the opportunity to build an overall higher base and continue on with the uptrend. So we'll see if the bulls can get that job done or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.